Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So here we have someone with long waist-length hair. And she decided to switch it up with this beautiful lob haircut. Gorgeous makeover. And then we see someone with longer mid-length hair decide to switch their strands to a bob. Followed by this chic wolf cut style. Beautiful split dye color with that one. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have someone go from long hair to another beautiful lob haircut. And then another gorgeous lob. Followed by someone who's decided to switch it up with this shaven hair trend. Then we have a gorgeous pixie hair transformation. Followed by this beautiful lob haircut. Love how she added lavender at the bottom of her strands. So beautiful. Beautiful lob haircut. She looks amazing. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.